How to download and install DuckDuckGo browser on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can download this browser on your Windows step by step. It's super quick and easy. So let's get started. First, you need to open your web browser and simply search for this on Google. You will see the official website right at the top. So go ahead and click on it. Now on the home page, you will see an option that says download this browser. Click that and your installer will start downloading instantly. Once the download is complete, open the installer file, click on install now. The setup is very straightforward and only takes few seconds. When the installation finishes, the DuckDuckGo browser will open automatically. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Click let's do it. Now you will be asked a few setup questions. If you want to make DuckDuckGo your default browser, you can go ahead and do that or skip it. You will also get the option to import your bookmarks and passwords from another browsers. If you don't need to, just skip those steps and click next until setup is complete. And that's it. You are now ready to start your DuckDuckGo browser, fast, private, and simple to use. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out the playlist on the channel for more awesome guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.